Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alex. Happy birthday to you. Woo-hoo!
Went home and my fingers still blowing up. Today I didn't even have to use my AK. I gotta say it was a good day.
Alright, as you can see, there's no canvas. Just because the boat's getting all new camper canvas from Lakeshore Boat Top in St. Clair Shores, Michigan. Getting a full camper, all new poles here. We're going to raise everything up 4 inches and go to the arch instead of under the arch like it used to be. I think it's going to look a lot more modern the way we're doing it. So we're getting ready to leave after using the boat for the weekend. This is still the old bows from the old canvas. They've made the new bows for the aft and forward, and it's going to go to the arch now instead of under. So there'll be a track on the arch, and the next time we see it, they should be done. Alright, here's some progress. These are all the new frames. They're made out of thicker material than the old ones. They've raised up the bimini top up here significantly. It almost looks like I'll be able to stand at the helm now, which would be impressive. They came and covered up the bow because the spiders were having their way up there. I spent about 2 hours scrubbing last week, getting all the spider poop off. And even though I freshly waxed the whole deck, the stuff just didn't want to come off. So here we are. A little update. Hopefully the next time we see this, it will be completely done. Well, here it is. I've been saving for this for about 5 years. It's needed it for 7. We ended up upgrading here. Like I said before, this is 1.25 inch stainless tube. .40mm Strata-Glass, number 10 YKK zippers. Looks a lot more modern going to the arch instead of under. I love the headroom. Went thicker on these poles too. Way more headroom. Way more headroom here. So we ended up really not liking this subwoofer. I had this one laying around. It's just a whatever truck box with a regular car sub. So I just wanted to see just how bad that thing really was. So yeah, it just destroys the Marine sub. I don't think the 10's ever going to satisfy me, so I'm going to have this thing here. I'm going to get a better 12, a Marine one with a grill. I'm going to have my canvas guy cover it in the same material that he's making some seat stuff out of, this chalk material here. And then I'm going to hide it behind this bench, I think, or over in the corner. So that's that project. All of the repairs that need to be done to the port side and transom are getting done soon here. New teak is getting put in across the back door. This whole side's getting new teak. All the gel coat repairs and glass repairs are getting done, and that'll be done indoors. She's going indoor heated for this winter. The Lakeshore boat top is going to be doing these backrests here. I think they already started templating that, so those will be done for the springtime. And lately I've been floating around the idea in my head of getting a extended swim platform. So I think I'm gonna go with swim platform Superstore over the .com, simply because I kind of like the design better. And yeah, well, I guess we'll see. Hey, last boat trip of the year.
Welcome to the channel. If you've been a long subscriber for a while, you've known how far this boat has come. And hot dog does it look good with this canvas. Alex, give him a tour. Let the people see what it looks like.
There she is.
Man, Lakeshore boat top knocked it out of the freaking park. Come on. He didn't have none of this, dude. Dude, this thing was like that. It was a miserable driving experience, and now?
I don't know about miserable.
I don't know, but it wasn't easy. He was sweating like a pig in there, and now he's chilling like a king. It's a good looking rig.
Good looking rig. Well, that's the end of the season. Now off to Boat Works.